How to fix your Intune Company Portal application not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles with the Intune Company Portal application, here are some possible steps. First and foremost, you need to update the app. For this, visit Google Play Store and then type in Intune Company Portal. Tap on the update button if it's available. Likewise, for the iOS devices, go to App Store, tap on the search icon, and follow the same process, which is search for the app and tap on update. If it does not work, you have to clear the app cache. For this, long press your application and you will see App Info option. Tap on Storage and Cache and then tap on Clear Cache. Likewise, for iOS devices, the process is a little different. You'll have to go to General, then on iPhone Storage. Then find and select the company portal and then click on Offload app. After processing, tap on Reinstall to reinstall the app. After doing this, if you launch the application, it should probably work. However, if it does not, you'll have to reinstall the application completely. After this, the issue is solved. However, if it persists, you might need to check for any server outages or connection issues. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.